Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off this unit. This is a dishwasher, and we had a problem with the motor. In order to take this part off, grab the shaft at the back, turn this counterclockwise. Alright. Once this is out, you can now take this cover off. This cover now turns counterclockwise likewise. Sorry, clockwise. Sorry. This will now turn clockwise. Here we go. Now we would have two plastic items to come out. One, this one here, and this one. To get the inner rotor out, the impeller, grab the shaft once more and turn this one counterclockwise. And here we are. At the bottom we will now have a seal. That will take a little time to come out, but this will just lift up eventually. The quickest way to do this one is simply to take the motor out from the back. Take the 4 screws off at the back here, and then this will actually comes out.